Welcome to Barcode.com, your smart solution for label design and printing. Barcode empowers you to create professional barcode and QR code labels in just minutes. No setup, no extra tools required. Just choose the right size, design the label, download it, and print on any thermal printer. Let's check out how Barcode works. You can open Barcode.com in any browser. This is the home page, and as a new user, you can sign up absolutely free and instantly receive 200 codes. Click on Sign Up button, fill in your details, and hit Register. You will get a confirmation message along with a verification code sent to your email, which is required for your first login. Now log in using your credentials. You will be redirected to the verification page. Here, enter the code from your email. Let's check the inbox. This is the verification code. Copy it from here, paste it on the verification page. Click on Verify. You are ready to experience the magic of Barcode. Click Dive In to go straight to your dashboard, your control center. Here on the dashboard, you will find a complete overview of your work, such as the total designs you have created, number of labels generated, and your codes balance, both available and spent. Now what are codes? Codes are print credits. Think of them as digital coins. It takes just 5 codes to download a single label. At the top, you will see the user menu. From here, you can update your profile details, recharge your codes, view transaction history, order supplies, or log out. Let's take a tour of the Barcode design page and explore its features. To get there, click on the New Design button. This will open the label setup page, wherein you will need to enter some basic details, such as the label title and its dimensions. You will also notice 2 additional fields here. Label across refers to the number of labels positioned horizontally across width. This is typically expressed as up. For example, 1 up indicates a single label across the width, while 2 up indicates 2 labels arranged side by side across the width. Another one is label gap height. Defines the gap between 2 consecutive labels, which in this case is set to 3 mm. Printers use this gap with sensors. Once you confirm, you will be redirected to the design canvas, your creative space with all the tools and features you need for creating labels. Here is the Barcode design canvas for creating your label. On the left panel of the canvas, you will find a variety of options to customize your label, like adding text, images, barcodes, or QR codes. One of the most powerful features here is Uploads. What is Uploads? Uploads helps you generate bulk labels by importing data from an Excel or a CSV file. So, design once, map your data excluding images, and print labels with ease. With a single design, you can generate hundreds of labels with unique data. Currently, the upload limit is 500 rows per batch. Now let's explore the right panel of the canvas. The first option here is the Info section, which serves as a directory for keyboard shortcuts and useful tips. Next, you can resize your label while designing to get the perfect fit. There is also an option to save your label at any time, ensuring your work is never lost. Once your label is ready, you can preview it by clicking the Preview Label button. Finally, when everything looks good, you can download your label by clicking on Download Your Label button. Let's create a sample design. This example will walk you through the entire design process from start to finish. The sample label design is complete. I have added text, uploaded images, and aligned them exactly where I want. It is fully customizable. You can also click on Preview Label and see how your label will look. A super simple and powerful tool. That's Barcode. Let me show you how to upload an Excel or a CSV file and generate bulk data labels. Here, I have prepared an Excel file with data for 20 labels of the same design. The file includes columns for the elements like QR code, barcode, address line 1, address line 2, and a dollar value. Notice that the first row contains type. These help in mapping the columns to the design elements. To upload, simply click on Uploads and then map the elements. Element mapping is the process of selecting which data elements in your design should be linked to your Excel or a CSV file. For example, if your label design contains 10 data elements, but you only want to map 5 of them with columns from your file, you can mark those 5 as element mapping. The remaining elements will stay fixed as part of the design. Now let's select the elements to map a file using the Shift key. Check the element mapping on the top and click on Upload File button. After uploading the file, click the Next button. Here, you will pair each design element with the corresponding Excel column. And finally, click on Apply Mapping. You will see a successful confirmation message, data mapped successfully. Now click on Preview and you will see all your labels generated with different data just as required. Wow, this tool makes the process so simple and efficient. Simply click on the Download Label button. This shows how many codes are available in your account and how many are required to download the printable file. Click on Sure, go ahead. Here is the downloaded PDF file. As you can see, the design remains the same across all the labels, while the data is different from each one. With just one design, you can generate multiple labels and print them on any thermal printer. Design, generate, and print. It's that simple.